Certifications versus hands-on experience. For some reason, everybody's got a take on this, and most of the time, they're complete garbage. Here's the truth. If you ask an employer what's more important, experience or certifications, 9 times out of 10, they're going to say experience. Well, the reality is you cannot snap your fingers and be given an opportunity to gain real-world experience. But you can, through sheer willpower and dedication, sit down for a few months, learn a new skill, and achieve a technical certification. Should you get hands-on in that process? Of course you should. Should you build a couple of projects? Duh. But there doesn't need to be discourse around whether or not somebody should pursue a certification. Now, is the ROI of a certification guaranteed? No, of course not. What in life is guaranteed? If you go get a 4-year degree, is it guaranteed that you get a job whenever you graduate? Would you rather spend $60,000 on a degree and maybe get a job? Or would you rather spend a few $100s on a certification and maybe get a job? Final thought. There's some people that are under a disillusion that certifications cannot help you develop a new skill, that in fact, a certification is just a piece of paper. Well, yes, in some cases, it is just a piece of paper. If you cheat, if you don't accompany your studies with hands-on learning, of course, it's just a piece of paper at that point. It's not very valuable. But when you combine the validation of your knowledge via a recognized certification along with a personal journey of getting hands-on and learning new skills, that's about the best you can do until somebody offers you a job, getting experience doing the thing you want to do in your career. So don't listen to the haters. If you learn well via certifications, consider a certification. If there's a skill you want to learn and there's a certification aligned with that skill, does it make more sense to learn the skill in a vacuum, or does it make more sense to learn the skill and then validate the skill in the market with a recognized certification? I know what makes most sense to me. You have to decide what makes sense to you. But I do think painting this argument as something that's sheerly black and white fails to acknowledge the stark reality that many people pursuing certifications are doing so because they don't have an opportunity to get real-world experience on a thing they want to get real-world experience with. So telling people that are trying to improve their lives that certifications are a waste of time and they should get hands-on experience is such an insulting thing to say to somebody that is trying to go out of their way to improve themselves. And if you know a better way, tell them a better way. But I bet most of the people that think they know a better way are trying to sell you something. That's my take. That's my 2 cents on the subject. You can take it or leave it.